Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Gaurav Bhattacharya. I am a practicing intervention cardiologist and consultant physician in Bardwan in West Bengal. I am attached to Anamay Super Specialty Wing of the Bardwan Medical College and Hospital in the cardiology department. On this occasion of World Heart Day, we will learn about the role of diet in strengthening the health of heart. So heart disease is one of the most common lifestyle diseases, and the most prominent factors for increased incidence of heart disease are sedentary lifestyle, stress, excessive salt intake, junk food, smoking, and excessive intake of alcohol. So nowadays, number of safe and effective medications are available, while weight control and regular exercise are critical for keeping your heart healthy. The food you eat matter just as much. So no single food can make you magically healthy. So your overall dietary pattern is more important. We will be discussing the diet under six main headings. Number one, you should eat more fiber, fruits and vegetables, because fruits and vegetables are a source of vitamins, antioxidants, which can protect your heart. Eating more fruits and vegetables also help you to cut back on your higher calorie foods like meat, cheese, and snack foods. Choose fresh or frozen vegetables and fruits, low sodium canned vegetables, and canned fruit packed in juice or water. Number two, have a whole grain food. Whole grains are good source of fiber and other nutrients that play a role in regulating blood pressure and the health of the heart. The amount of whole grains in a heart healthy diet should be increased by making simple substitution for refined grain products. Or you can try a new whole grains such as brown rice or barley. Number three, reducing the salt intake. Eating too much salt can lead to increased blood pressure. Limiting salt is an important part of heart healthy diet, and most adults ideally have no more than 1.5 gram of sodium a day. In fact, the less sodium you eat, the better blood pressure control you might have. Reducing the amount of salt you add to food at the table or while cooking can be a good first step. And fresh herbs like basil, thyme, or chives should be used. Substitute reduced sodium versions like salt substitutes with your table salt. Number four, you should watch your fat intake. I would suggest try replacing unhealthy fats with good fats rather than avoiding your fat totally in the diet. Some of the most important improvements you can make are the following: cut out on artificial trans fats, as well as raising your LDL or bad cholesterol level. It can increase your risk of heart attack and stroke. So artificial trans fat also lowers your level of HDL or the good cholesterol. So you should avoid anything with partially hydrogenated oil in the ingredients, even it claims to be trans fat free. Increase the amount of polyunsaturated fats in your diet. You should reduce your saturated fats to less than 10% of your daily calorie intakes. Enjoy dairy foods in moderation and vary the protein sources in your diet, like opting for fish, skinless chicken, eggs, and vegetarian sources of protein. Number five, don't replace fat with sugar or refined carbs. Our body doesn't need any added sugar, as it gets all it needs from the sugar that naturally occurs in the food. So sugary food and refined carbs just add to empty calories. Instead of sugary soft drinks, white bread, pasta, processed foods like pizza, opt for unrefined whole grains like whole wheat or multigrain bread, brown rice, barley, bran cereal, oatmeal, and non-starchy vegetables. Number six, focus on a high fiber diet. A diet high in fiber lowers your bad cholesterol, provide nutrients that help protect against your heart disease. As an added bonus, it may also help you to lose weight. Fiber also moves the fat through your digestive tract, so it gets less time to get absorbed. And when you fill up on fiber, you will also have more energy for exercising, which will again help you on reducing your weight. Insoluble fiber is found in whole grain, wheat cereals, vegetables such as carrots, celery, and tomatoes, while soluble fiber sources include barley, oatmeal, beans, nuts, and fruits such as apples, berries, citrus fruits, and pears. Lastly, the bottom line is diet plays a crucial role not only in developing but also in controlling the progression of heart disease. I advise to all patients to adopt a healthy lifestyle which plays an important role in not only treating heart complications, but also preventing it. Thank you very much.